Highly effective as a pain reliever, they are compact and are suitable for all shoes. Why pain under the ball of the foot? Located under the forefoot, the foot pad is a subcutaneous tissue of 1 cm thick. The natural foot pad gradually wears and gets thinner and can no longer efficiently play the role of load distributor. The wear and tear of the foot pad, frequent in women over 60 years old, is unfortunately irreversible, leading to overheating, intense pain and calluses. What is the EPITACT pain relief solution? Objective number 1. Distributing pressure. Epithelium 26 is the only silicone gel on the market patented as real substitute for the natural plantar pad. Epithelium 26 shall distribute pressures just like the healthy plantar pad once did. With just 2 mm of Epithelium 26, the high-pressured zones have completely disappeared. Objective number 2. Offer a lasting technology. The plantar cushions with Epithelium 26 are machine washable in the washing net provided at 40 degrees Celsius. For use in closed shoes, suggest the plantar cushions. Highly effective as a pain reliever, they are compact and are suitable for all shoes. Sold in pairs, they are available in 3 sizes.